right, and today we're joined by Dr. Mary Alvarado from Gundersen Health System, who's here to talk about their labor and delivery open house on Sunday. So what do we have going on this weekend?
We have an open house that's scheduled for the 4th on Sunday from 1 to 4. It'll be a tour of the entire unit, the entire labor and delivery unit.
Okay, so what are you all going to look at in the entire delivery unit?
Sure, so there's it'll start with kind of even the family waiting room that we've constructed to allow the family of the laboring mom to be more comfortable. And then we'll kind of proceed with the area where we triage patients and make sure they're actually in labor when they present.
Sure.
And then the labor rooms themselves. Those labor rooms include a birth center and for kind of low-risk patients. And it'll give them an opportunity to see the entire unit.
All right, and why is it a good idea for expecting parents to kind of check out these things beforehand?
Sure, I just think it gives them an opportunity to be a little bit more comfortable with the space. I think it's nice to know where to go, what's going to happen when you get there. I think for some women there's that fear of the unknown, especially if it's their first delivery. So I think it's a nice thing for them to be able to see.
Yeah, and through the open house, it's not just about the expecting mom, it's about making the whole family kind of feel comfortable there as well.
Exactly. And it'll be a space we welcome, not just the expectant moms, but their families to come up and tour the space. Sure,
and nationally we're kind of seeing a decrease in labors. What are we seeing here locally?
Well, our numbers at Gundersen were actually up over last year's. We had just over 1,400 deliveries last year and just over 1,500 this year. But nationally, those numbers are down a bit.
All right, well, thank you so much for joining us today.